Here we will do a side-by-side comparison of Alpha Descaler FG against a common hydrochloric acid-based product. This particular hydrochloric acid-based product claims a range of acid concentration of 8 to 12% on the safety data sheet, but when tested, it indicates that the concentration is actually closer to 12%. The capacity to dissolve scale is primarily from the acid content. Here we will put in a seashell of similar size and weight into each container. Alpha Descaler, which is on the left, and the hydrochloric acid-based product on the right. A seashell is primarily consisting of calcium, similar to the typical scale deposits found in water systems. As we put in the seashell into each product, the seashell is a similar size and weight to give a fair comparison on how much each product can dissolve and how fast it can dissolve. The first thing you will notice is the speed at which the chemicals start to dissolve the seashell. The Alpha Descaler starts off more slowly and forms much less foam. The hydrochloric acid product, however, has a higher foaming action and does start to react very quickly. The problem with heavily foaming acids is that it produces a lot of bubbles. This foam contains gases. Normally, when utilizing a chemical for descaling in cleaning a heat exchanger or any sort of a system, it is circulated. When you have this heavy forming foam action, you could actually get cavitation in the system, gases in the system, which will prevent the chemical from making contact with the scale and slow down the scale removing process. So it does make it harder to remove the scale if there is high foaming. The other thing which you may not see in the video, however, is that the hydrochloric acid product is giving off a gas. It's fuming. It is giving off a toxic gas. The Alpha Descaler, however, creates a negligible amount of fumes. It's actually considered non-fuming. The lack of fuming is an important safety advantage to personnel who are working with any chemical. The second thing that is happening in each case is that the container with the hydrochloric acid product is warming up because of an exothermic reaction. The Alpha Descaler FG does not have an exothermic reaction. The container does not heat up. When companies who promote hydrochloric acid-based products or other mineral acid-based products try to sell their product, they claim the high speed of scale dissolution. However, as you can see, the rate of the hydrochloric acid product in cleaning is now slowing down. In fact, it's slowing down dramatically. It is only fast in the beginning. In the meantime, the Alpha Descaler is not speeding up or slowing down. It is staying consistently at the same speed in dissolving the scale. Again, with the same low foaming, no fuming action. As time goes by, the hydrochloric acid product has now slowed down and continues to dissolve, as does the Alpha Descaler. Nearing the end of dissolving the cells, they both end up in pretty much of a dead heat. The Alpha Descaler FG dissolved just as much as the 12% hydrochloric acid solution and in the same amount of time. And this is without circulation. In an actual situation with circulation, with the low foaming and consistent foaming action that you get from the Alpha Descaler FG or Alpha Descaler itself, it will clean in the same or better time as the HCl product, but with no fumes and enhanced safety.